What's the major difference between winners and losers? Nothing. See, that's the thing, right? Everyone thinks there's this magical thing that separates people that win at life and people that are just not doing as good in life, right? Absolutely nothing. Now, I'm not talking about what separates LeBron James or Messi and Ronaldo from everyone else. No, that's talent. I'm talking about the normal people that are doing good in life and the ones that are not doing good in life, right? There's nothing overly major. If you stop for a minute and think about it, nothing overly major separates X person from Y person. The only difference is how hard you're willing to work for something, and most importantly, what you think you deserve, right? So if you basically think, look, I want to own a penthouse somewhere in New York, somewhere in London, or wherever it is, right? You know, a penthouse somewhere in London or New York or wherever it is worth what, 2-3 million, whatever it is, right? That's what you want, right? But at the back of your head, the question then becomes, what do you deserve, right? Because everyone wants that. Like, who wouldn't want that? Everyone wants the best things. Everyone wants to be happy. Everyone wants to get the best cars or the best houses and the whole lot. The question then becomes, who deserves what, right? Because if you're not born to a rich family, which a lot of people ain't, and you don't win the lottery tomorrow, friend, you're gonna have to earn it. Now, to earn it, you need to deserve it. You need to work hard, right? That's the thing that I believe separates everyone from the rich and the poor. Who feels like they deserve it? And when you feel like you deserve it, it lights the extra fire you need to work towards earning it, right? That's all it is. Because it's hard. It's going to be hard, and you're going to fall, and you're going to fall, and you're going to fall again, and you're going to get rejected 3 times, 6 times, 10 times, 50 times. The question is, when you get rejected the 10th time, do you have it in you to try again for the 11th, 12th, 13th time, right? And the only reason you have it in you, the only way you could ever have it in you to keep going, is because you believe, I deserve that. You know, think about it like being happy, right? If you think you need to be happy, you deserve to be happy, you can't stop and say, bruv, I guess I'm not happy then, innit? You don't get to do that, because you believe you deserve to be happy. So you keep going, you keep trying to find your happiness in whatever way, sort of form. You keep trying to solve your problems, right? It's the same thing. If you believe you deserve to have X type of life, right? It doesn't matter how many times they knock you down. It doesn't matter how many rejections. It doesn't matter how many, pit holes and roadblocks you meet. You always find it within you. Sometimes it will take longer than others, but you find it within you at some point in life, and you get up and you keep going, because you know what you deserve. You know what you believe you want, right? And you're willing to do what needs to be done. It's not an easy road, but if you don't believe you deserve X thing, or you just want it, but deep down you don't have it in you to go and get it, then just stop. There's no point. There's no point trying until you get rejected the 10th time, because you don't even believe it at that point, right? So just don't waste your time. Just don't bother. But if you believe that deep down in you, you deserve X thing, whatever it is, whether it's a financial thing, whether it's a house, a car, a relationship, kids, whatever it is, whatever you believe in and you believe you deserve, if you believe in it deep down and you're willing to get it, you just gotta keep going. That's all it is. That's literally, in my opinion, the only thing that separates X person from Y person. If it's not a talent thing, it is what it is. If you ain't Beyonce or Whitney Houston or whatever it is, and you ain't got that voice, then my friend, you're just like every one of us. You just gotta go hard. That's literally all it is, right? Just go hard. Believe in yourself. Know that you deserve to be what you believe you want to be. And just go. Don't stop. You fall and you fall and you fall and you get up every single time. That's all it is.